We're on Missouri 43, the Ozarko Tire Warehouse. It's just behind the Pilot Travel Center. This fire reported shortly after 8 p.m. on Tuesday. Firefighters from Joplin responded. It's part of the Joplin city limits. Dunaway Fire, Carl Junction Fire, Reddings Mill Fire assisting. Newton County Ambulance here on the scene also. It seems though as they started their aerial attack when they arrived, this fire has ebbed and flowed. Sources that work here tell us possibly 1,000 tires inside this building, new tires. In fact, they just unloaded 400 of them into the building today. So it's full capacity. We'll keep you updated. Click the bit link or news tab at KOAM News Now. In Newton County, I-44-43 Highway, Ozarko Warehouse. I'm Shannon Becker for KOAM News Now.